Alrighty guys, welcome back to Everything Off-Road, and this is part 2 of the tachometer install. So part 1, we were looking at the RPM wire, and that is that wire right there. I'm highlighting them so that you guys can get an idea of where the wire is at. So the blue is from part 1, and we're on part 2. So we're gonna be looking at everything highlighted in purple, and there are 3 wires that we need to be looking at today. That is a red wire, a black wire, and a green wire. The red wire, you're gonna wanna go ahead and run it all the way to your battery. The black wire here, that black wire is gonna be a little bit more complex. You're gonna wanna find power when the key is turned on. So here's a rundown of what I just talked about. Your red wire is gonna go straight to the positive side of your battery. The black wire is gonna go, that black wire is gonna go to a bus bar or keyed power. And then your green wire, which is number 3, that wire is gonna be hooked up to a ground. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.